I'm Josh from Twisted Throttle, and we are about to install Barkbuster handguards on the new Yamaha T7. If you're new here, check out our website at the link below and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great motorcycle content. The Barkbusters Jet handguards were made for enduro and off-road enthusiasts. The last thing you need is to snap a clutch lever 10 miles into a trail. These essential guards will keep a crash from ending your ride early. The heat-treated aluminum backbones feature 2 mounting points to provide the strength needed to prevent lever damage. Impact-resistant deflectors provide protection for your hands from brush, thorns, and UFOs. First, remove the stock plastic handguards, bar end weights, and mounting brackets. Next, loosely assemble the clamps onto the handlebars. There are rings machined into the inside of the tapered clamp surface. Be sure the rings line up on each side and face the center of the bike. Insert the threaded bar end bolt. Add the backbone using the provided spacer and bar end weight. Attach the backbone to the clamps and tighten everything just snug enough to stay in place. You want the backbone to be horizontal when viewed from the side. Tighten the bar end bolt first. Tighten the remaining bolts to spec in this order: bolt connecting the backbone to the clamp, bolt connecting the spacer to the saddle clamp, bolt connecting the saddle clamp. Last, attach the jet deflector using the provided screws. These only need to be hand tight. Before riding, be sure there is adequate space between the throttle grip and the bar end weight. Ensure that the throttle has a free and full range of motion. Also, double check that the levers have enough clearance from the guard. Ride longer and harder with the Barkbusters Jet handguards for the Yamaha T7. Find them today at TwistedThrottle.com.